Hello everyone. Hi. Samastanku mora heartiest greetings and a warm welcome to this introductory session in which I will introduce all of you to 6 lectures under the title How to Champion OPSC ASO Examination. Actually मोर रैंक बाहरला परे जेतेबेले एएसओ रो नोटिफिकेशन आसीगला तापरे मते बहुत जण रिक्वेस्ट करथिले जे एएसओ रो स्ट्रेटजी शेयर करिया पई व्हाट will be my suggestion and my inputs regarding ASO examination. Actually, it is my very humble submission that I could not clear OPSC ASO examination, the last examination, for less than 1 mark. Skill test I scored 50 out of 50, but for 1 mark I could not clear OPSC ASO examination. बेले बेले it is true that आमे गोटे सक्सेस रु जति शिखि परिबा गोटे फेलियर रु आमे ताठारु बोध हुए किछि बेसी शिखि परिबा. So when the requests started pouring in, I really started thinking that should I start taking a strategy series or maybe strategy sessions about OPSC ASO examination. But then it was my inner answer कि yes, I should kind of help those aspirants जो माने के थिबे मते रिक्वेस्ट करचंती. Thus एमती गोटे सीरीज रो बिगिन करिया पई मु डिसाइड करथिली. गोटे टेलीग्राम चैनल रे ऑडियो सेशन रे मु ए सब सेशंस गुडा का नैची ऑडियो सेशंस करके तो ताको एक्सेस करिया पई मु मे बी बिलो मु लिंक टा दे देबी से चैनल रो जोथरे कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू हेल्प एस्पिरेंट्स, trying to answer their queries and help them to the best of my ability. But really coming back to these ASO sessions, earlier I had decided it is going to be one session in which I am going to share everything. But then I thought ki rather than taking one session in which there will be so many questions which might remain unanswered, I should rather take individual sessions for each of the syllabus, each of the parts of the syllabus of OPSC ASO, and I should then answer individually questions that might arise from that particular syllabus. So that's how I designed a lecture series, and that series contains 6 parts, and this is an introduction to those 6 parts. In the first part, I have spoken about my own experience of leaving the job and being unable to study, struggling with myself, to sit for a few hours, in front of the books, and really how I juggled, how I really, kind of made all possible efforts to come back to studies. And I have shared my journey of ASO, what I have learned, my key learnings in the journey of ASO. In the second lecture, in the second video, I have extensively dealt with the subject Odia. Odia subject ro, Odia language ro, jaha bhi मते शेयर करिवार अछि किछि स्ट्रेटजी मु शेयर करछि, एंड तापरे पाखापाखि 1 hour रो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन हिच. The third is about English, in which I have spoken about the strategies of English, और तापरे subsequent question and answer हिची. Fourth session is about general studies. Fourth session रे general studies रो extensive discussion हिची, that is about that's a video of almost 2.5 hours, जो थे कि आपन को समस्त प्रश्न और तार उत्तर along with the strategy that I have shared आपन को सेटा मिलिबो. And the fifth session is about aptitude and reasoning, mathematics विषय रे हमें कथा हिचे. And after the fifth, there is a very very important video, that is the 6th one, in which there will be it is a miscellaneous session in which you will find topics like how to avoid distraction, how to manage the time before and after the examination, how to really stay, what are the ways really you can stay focused in your studies, a simple strategy for the next few weeks towards the examination, how can you round up, what are the strategies that how can you manage time in the examination, and how you can do the rounding up the options, and how not to leave anything in the examination. I will talk about how to remain calm in the exam and kind of try to finish all 400 questions that Odisha Public Service Commission will test you with to clear the ASO examination. And there are other questions that any students might have in general that I have dealt in those sessions. So this lecture series was never intended to be in public. मु केबे भाबी नथिली जे मु जो सेशंस गुडा को नउची सेटा केबे हेले मते एमती गोटे सिचुएशन आसीबो जेतेबेले कि सेटा को मु पब्लिक करबी. मु केबे भाबी नथिली. मोर डिजायर या थिला जे मु गोटे चैनल टेलीग्राम चैनल जोड़ार मे बी लिंक आई विल पोस्ट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेठी मु सबु जाक सेशंस नेबी और लाइव समस्त को एड्रेस करी. एंड दीज सेशंस वेर अटेंडेड बाय क्लोज टू 500 एस्पिरेंट्स. 500 पिला प्रति सेशन को पाखापाखि अटेंड करचंती. मेनी हैव आस्क्ड देयर क्वेश्चंस एंड आई हैव ट्राइड माय एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट टू गिव देम a fitting answer to their questions. किंतु एटा केबे माइंड नथिला जे आई विल make all these videos public, but gradually as I kept on taking the sessions, gradually my dear friends, they kept on saying me कि they have missed the earlier sessions. For example, जेतेबेले मो थर्ड सेशन नउतली, some aspirants started requesting me कि they have missed 1 and 2. And even the later session जहाँ भी मुझे से बहुत जन कही they have missed the earlier sessions and they have requested to upload the earlier sessions for the larger interest of the students. So I was hesitant actually. I felt whatever I'm sharing, they will be gone with the wind. I never wanted them to like remain permanent in somewhere uploaded. But yes, I cannot deny to so many requests that I have received. So yielding to everyone's requests, I have decided that all these sessions along with other sessions that I will be taking, they will be uploaded time to time in this Synapse Academy YouTube channel. And because the exam is just ahead, I have decided these uploads should be absolutely quick, and so that many of my very dear young friends will be benefited. I have few words to share कि आपण माने केमिति ए सेशंस गुडार मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट यू कैन टेक. मु आपन कहिबिनी डू नॉट कंप्रोमाइज योर स्टडी टाइम. आपण जते बोर होचंती किंबा जो समय आपन लागु छी जे आई नीड सम लाइट अबाउट दिस सब्जेक्ट, आपण एटा को प्लग इन करंतु. एतरे कोनोसी इमेज नाही, आपण आखि भी खोलिया को पड़िबोनी. All these are audio sessions. You can just close your eyes and listen to me sharing how can you really best utilize your time to cross this examination successfully. Even if I never wanted or it was not planned that these sessions will be uploaded, now that I am uploading, I also should share my wish with which I began this session. I केमिति start करथिली. It is my very sincere desire कि एटा मु जो भी सेशंस नहीं that should come in use of at least one person. At least one person should be benefited from whatever discussions has happened, hours and hours of कथावार्ता, question and answer. तापर जदि केही भी जणे benefited हे पारले, कहार एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन जदि टिके इज हे पारला, टिके इजी हे पारला, इजी आउ इज हे पारला, I will be very very happy. I will be the happiest person. And please do share your views about each session in the comment section, and I will wait for the time when you emerge victorious. I failed in ASO exam, but then by the grace of Almighty and of course lot of hard work, by the grace of God, I could secure the top rank in Odisha Civil Service in my immediate next attempt. But I want that all of you become successful in your OPSC ASO examination journey, and please do reach out to me and share a word of your victory whenever you get there. May the Almighty bless all. Thank you very much for your present listening of this introductory session. Now you have been introduced to the lecture series. Please go ahead and watch them and draw the maximum benefit. In the comment section, I will also share my Twitter link where you can connect to me. That is a place where I am receiving messages from my aspirant friends and I'm trying to address them in my sessions that I'm taking. All right, all the very best, my dear friends. May success find you, may you find the success, may all your dreams come true. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.